So we've just had arrive into stock a Swift Freestyle 664, which is based on a Swift Escape. It's a Loudham special edition, so there's lots of extras over and above a base model Escape for the same money, basically. Now it's low miles, less than 7,000 miles on the clock, on a 17 plate. Let's have a look around then. You've got this exclusive cab colour, Fiat alloy wheels, comes complete with a 2-lane awning. You've also got an external barbecue point here, which is part of the Freestyle pack. You've got external 230 volts, again, part of the Freestyle pack. You come around the back, you've got pre-drilled for a bike rack if you ever wanted to pop a bike rack on, not a problem. Reversing camera there. You've got parking sensors. There's even a hook to tie your dog lead to if you're on a site. Not a lot of people know that. You come around this side, you've got an external shower point. You've also got a 12-volt socket if you wanted to use a submersible pump to pump water into the tank if you're wild camping somewhere. Let's have a look inside. So the Freestyle is exclusive upholstery to Loudhams, which makes it the special edition. It's not very often these come our way. As you can see, the upholstery is a lot better than what a standard Escape would be. It's fully carpeted throughout. Both these seats swivel into the position there. So this is then integrated into your lounge area. The table here sinks to its knees to make a bed just here, so it will sleep 4 people. You've got 2 forward-facing travelling seat belts with anchor seat belts as well, very important for safety. And then you've got the French bed at the back, which pops up for ample storage underneath. Side bathroom, which is a fantastic size for a wet room. Obviously full kitchen, grill, oven combo, microwave on the roof. Here you've got your Heki, which is the Omnivent fan. You've also got a solar panel upstairs on the roof for all your power needs if you're wild camping. You've also got a TV aerial as standard. Everything comes on standard on a Freestyle, which is why they're such good value for money. So give us a call, make an appointment, come down and view it.